Installing lithium batteries and cables. Remove the build-out resistor from the lithium battery. Assemble a lithium battery auxiliary support. Mount the auxiliary support onto the 19-inch rack and tighten the butterfly nut on the support. Install the support horizontal bar. Move the lithium battery onto the support and push it into the cabinet. Remove the support. Secure the lithium battery. Connect the ground cable of the lithium battery to the cabinet ground bar. Install the other 4 lithium batteries and ground cables in the same way. Remove insulation covers from the bus bars. Remove insulation covers from the lithium batteries. Connect the positive battery cable to the RTN positive port on the bus bar. Connect the negative battery cable to the minus 48-volt port on the bus bar. Reinstall insulation covers for the lithium batteries. Install power cables for the other 4 lithium batteries in the same way. Install the activation cable for a lithium battery. Install the activation cable for the other 4 lithium batteries in the same way.